at a time when something is just so annoying, you just have that urge to air off about it? Well, when I get things that annoy me, I come and sit in my field. Yes, it really is a field. Just try and get it off my chest. But today I feel compelled to share with you something that I find really annoying about these pair of gloves. Now, in all fairness, I've got to just say these are great gloves. I love them. I've worn hundreds of pairs. They're less than £1.50 each. They're great. They last a couple of weeks, maybe 3 weeks. Occasionally I wash them. But what I find really annoying is, for a pair of gloves, £1.50 that last 2 or 3 weeks, they come with care instructions. Can you seriously believe this? How to maintain your gloves. It's a pair of gloves. What am I supposed to do? Wash them in Ass's milk at night? Soak them in virgin olive oil? Make sure they're in bed by 9:30? It's a pair of gloves. What the heck do I want instruction manual for? And this is a manual. There's 3 things. That's 4. There's 3 things that I find so annoying about this. 1, it is the level of instructions. I mean, check this out. It's like an ordnance survey map. Unbelievable. The second thing is, it's the 21st century. I don't know where you get this thing printed, but have you not heard of duplex printers? I've got a printer at home that prints on both sides. This is blank on this side, it's completely blank. What about, here's something for you at the printers, what about considering printing on both sides? That way you would save 50% of the level of paper. It's already a waste. It's already a waste of paper. The third thing, the thing that really grates me above everything, somebody 50, 60, 70 years ago has had to sow a seed of a tree. Somebody has had to go out and plant it, probably the same guy. It's had to then have 50 winters, 60 or 70, 60, 70 summers, and then eventually it's cut down and it's pulped into paper. A noble tree has had to be slaughtered for this. Okay, you might say it's recycled paper. It came from a tree at some point. Why on earth? It's a pair of gloves. Come on, guys. I'm just saying. I'm David, and this is Grow Mad Thoughts, and I wanted to share that with you.